Give round for those acceptancy, one for us to all right.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Nana. I won't make a plan this thing. Okay. I'm a full stack senior software developer currently in Central University. Within the past 2 years, I've been able to build and ship a business. Now, I'm not about to teach you Python. I do not know. What I'm about to do is to motivate you to start your own business. Batman, Alpha, Charlie, so anyway, we have a little product called, we have a business called Microservices. I have 2 other guys that work here. Really funny people. I don't know if you've ever experienced this before. But when we come into the room, it's a shutdown. And like we're all one big family and we build a room together. Oh, there it is, that's mine. Charlie, so yeah, this is me just chilling in the data center. That's like my favorite place in the world. This is my LinkedIn, run out, make you try run for me. This is my YouTube. So what I'm doing now is I made videos and taking out the journey of when I was building and I'm like sharing it around. It's a big step for me, anyway. But I'm not cool. Alright, so Precious Solutions, we do 3 things. If you get this reference, I'll have so much respect for you. We build social, local, and mobile applications. We have an application that we're pushing to the developers now. It's called Presto Connect. What Presto Connect does is it serves us. Has anyone used Notify? Have you used the SMS APIs before? You have. There we go. So we are taking that, we are aggregating it, and we are adding in features like Slack messaging, Telegram, email, and SMS. You have one portal where you can push all your communications. So at this specific point, we have over 5,000 customers, which is what I can see. It's less than 3 years. We've done over 3 million in transaction volume. This is a part of the cloud platform. We have 6 projects. We make all this fast. Just how this is the demand. So I'm going to do something. I recently got into a relationship, right? Which is super crazy. She said, please make me over the phone, we do this thing where we do 3 truths in a lie. So I have 3 things from my journey that I've come to accept, right? So it's 3 truths. Whichever one you choose to be the lie, that's up to you. So the first truth or lie is that nobody knows you. I presume that a lot of us are looking for remote jobs. Bro, as I started finding remote, I know they boss. It's sad. It's so sad. Nobody knows you. If you can't, you bring that your 2 paper or your 5 paper, your CV, you write it, you nobody will know you. Come on. The second thing, which is the truth for me, it might be a lie for you, is that nobody will hire you. Anyway, nobody will hire you. And the last one is say fiber. But the last one is nobody cares about you. But the beautiful thing about building for yourself is that you're your own boss. I led microservices, I think, about a year ago. And I built something, and I built Connect. I had the opportunity to actually partner with Python to send the blast SMS. This is where you come. SMS blast, right? It was a big opportunity, and I'm going to make a lot of those about on LinkedIn. So, I mean, the LinkedIn, run the LinkedIn. I think this is it. Maybe I see something again. Yeah, Charlie, see, just build. Whether you say you will sleep or not, whether you individual will do solo, you the boys, if you hire you nice, anything, just build. That's all I have to see. Build. Okay.